Been working. Hold up. I don't even know if this is okay, it is. Is it showing up or uh that's weird. Yo, what's up? Um I'm trying to get this pulled up on another device, but oh, there we go. Okay. All right, so we're gonna be doing some more development. There's a lot of progress that I kind of have. Oh, there's Thunder's Party. Can't leak that. Yeah. So that's the wrong game. But yeah, so I've been kind of getting some progress in with this. I'm probably gonna remove this sound, but yeah, so this is what we have so far. Basically just more visuals and like some nice animations for the menu. I don't know what happened to that. That's weird. Is it playing every frame? Hold on. Let me see. There's no way, right? What? No, it can't be. Yeah, no. That plays, but it's like completely muted. That's super weird. Bro, Click Team Audio is like so weird. So right now, I guess the plan is to kind of rework the save data because the save data in 2.0 and below was like pretty bad. That's good. Yeah, how you guys doing? Okay, so hmm, that's weird. I'm gonna remove the sound that it plays when it like scrolls the text because in concept it sounded like it would be a good idea, but I don't know, it's not doing it for me. So I'm just gonna remove that. Actually, I'll just like if you have code that you might think about coming back to in the future, but you're not sure, just literally just deactivate it, honestly. Like instead of deleting the whole thing. I guess it depends on like how complicated it is and if you're just sure you're gonna get rid of it, but it's better to do that because if you come back later, you might be like, oh, I kind of want to expand on the idea. But is this okay? This just does not work, which is weird. I wish there was a way. Actually, I could just print the. Let me see. Okay, so I'm gonna do. Oh yeah, the audio. So we're gonna channel volume. I think it was 7, and then I'm gonna make sure this is a string. So let's see. It's 0. Okay. So for some reason, channel volume of channel 7 is set to 0, and I don't know why that is. This is kind of how you like test stuff. So here I set it to 40 for channel 7, and it's being set to 0 for some reason. So you could Control Shift F and then kind of just search. And I'm just gonna do channel 7, and I think okay, so you have to type it in a specific way. It's weird. Channel number. Okay, yeah. So it's kind of weird. You have to do number for stuff like that. So yeah, over here it sets the volume of channel 7 to 0. Oh, okay. This is just like a bug that I copied and pasted this from my previous project, and this is actually okay. So a little tip as well, when you're doing so this for example is specifically for the lines, for the background, but for some reason in this always I have the volume to set to 0, and this volume literally has nothing to do with the actual lines, and so you don't really want to have stuff like this together. And RGB coefficient set to 255. So like you for this for example, you'd only really want to what the heck? Say wallahi, bro, say wallahi. Malachi? I don't know. But yeah, so like this, for example, you kind of want to keep these separate. So instead of setting the volume here, you'd probably want to make your own audio group and then set the volume there. For example, here we have the menu music, stuff like that. Like you kind of want to just keep it organized so that when you come back, you're like, okay, I'm having an audio issue, so I'd expect that to be in this group here where it says audio. And you don't kind of want to have it be all over the place because then you could lead to a lot of problems. And so now it should appear. Yeah, there we go. So now it plays the sound. Very cool. So now the main thing, so I've been kind of working on this, and why is that? Oh, I guess it's because there's a zoom. Yeah, that makes sense. So yeah, I've been kind of working on this sidebar thingy, and that will involve the save data. So I need to work on the stats and more, basically. First though, I think it was showing me there's levels to this. I mean, it's like it's not even like a click team thing. I think it's more just generally if you're doing game development or like just development in general, anything computer science related, the biggest rule of thumb in anything related to like programming, even click team or like even scratch, dude, you want to you want to make it easier for yourself because you'd expect in a lot of like, I don't know, software development, you're going to be like changing stuff later in the future, right? Like if you have a website or something or like a platform, like a social media platform, you know how they always like push out updates and stuff like that. If you make your code like super unorganized, then developers later on will kind of be looking at that like all confused and won't really know how to update it or where to start. And so there's like, I mean, there's levels to it to like a computer science kind of point of view to where you just kind of want to make things easier for yourself. You want to break things down into parts as much as you can. And like the one thing as well is like comments. And I remember this kind of someone was posting some stuff in game development in the MML about like Scratch, and I saw their code for their game and they had comments like all over the place. Or like, you know, they had comments everywhere for everything, which is really nice. So that's like one thing. Just kind of labeling things, making sure you know what is where, stuff like that. So that when you're going in the future, you're like, you know, fixing something or whatever, you're not like spending a super long time finding where it is and you're just spending most of that time actually fixing it, right? So it's more so, you know, you want to, because that's the thing, when you're bug fixing, you're a lot of times you're going to be spending more time actually finding where the bug is instead of actually fixing it. And so you want to like minimize that time finding it as much as possible. But anyways, okay, so now I want to get into the stars. I actually had it written down somewhere. Yeah, don't really label since you're lazy. Honestly, get into the habit of labeling stuff because your future self will thank you. If you don't label stuff, like it might not seem like such a big deal, but like later on you're gonna be, I don't know, let's say you want to change a mechanic or balance something or just like rework something completely, you're gonna be like scratching your head like, oh, what does this do? And instead if you like label things, you already know just by looking at the label. So just stuff like that, you know, it's really good. It's really good practice. Okay, let me see. So I wanted to do, let me see what I have for the stars. So I'll just have this one open here and then this one open right here. So the old Thunder's Frenzy dump, I had the stars right here. So these were kind of like the main stars that I was going to use or that I was using. And I'm still going to use all the preset stars. I'm just going to kind of change these up a little bit. So I'm going to go to paint.net. We're just gonna be making assets. Is this a full remake of the game? So it's I'm basically reworking a lot of things. The assets are gonna be for the most part the same, and the code is gonna be used as a base. It's just gonna be completely reworked. The reason that I'm doing this is because the original like the 2.0 was my first click team project I ever made, and I didn't really know how to work the engine that well. And so a lot of practices that I used then were just terrible. As opposed to now, I feel like I've learned a lot more. So that's why I'm kind of recoding a lot of stuff. So I guess you could call it Thunder's Frenzy Recoded. So the gameplay is just, it's gonna be for the most part the same. There's gonna be slight rebalancing of stuff, and there's gonna be like um it's just gonna be like bug fixes, optimizations, stuff like that. Because the game right now is super unoptimized, super buggy, and I'm trying to fix that. So yeah. But for the most part, like it's still gonna play exactly the same. So I had, let's see. So I wanted to do a white star, a yellow star. So we could get a yellow star in. It's gonna be like Fanati now. Like exactly like Fanati. So let's change the hue. Like a yellow color. Oh wait, I have this on top. What am I doing? Okay. So now we're gonna change this to or like a yellow color. Make it like a little bit more saturated. Lightness, turn it down a little bit. Kind of gold, yeah. That's not too bad actually. Something like that. I think that's good. So yeah, we're gonna have white, yellow, and then green, blue, red, and then purple and the rainbow star. So, okay. Oh, the cupcake. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh my gosh. So, okay, so with modes, there actually is going to be a mode added. I have kind of a proof of concept here that I could kind of show, but yeah. If you're saying that this is a complete copy of SLSCN, then you are absolutely right. It literally is, and I'm aware of that. But yeah, it's gonna be interesting, I think. Okay, so blue, red. So I'm probably just gonna change the purple star to blue. So this will be, yeah, something like a bit lighter. Yeah, something like that actually is pretty good. And then red, purple. So basically, the mechanics are completely different. So the way that it's gonna work right now, basically, I guess I'll give a brief rundown of like how this entire game works with the buffs and stuff. So, why can I mix the blue, green, and yellow? What do you mean mix? Like combine it all into one star? Wait, I could just set the hue actually, but that's whatever. Okay, so basically everyone has a they have their normal mechanic and then they have aggressive buffs. That's pretty straightforward, right? That's just Thunder's Wrath. So once you toggle an aggressive buff, then it's permanent. It just stays on forever, basically. So then there's also hopeless mode buffs. That's what the yellow is. And so the way that those work, so for hopeless mode, it kind of explains it, but it's like a silent mode if the buffs were to stack. So at the start of the night, everyone's kind of set to normal, what they normally are. And then every hour, 2 characters get chosen to get buffed, right? And then their buffs stay, and so the next hour, 2 more characters get buffed, and then the next hour, 2 more characters get buffed, all up till 5 a.m., and then everyone's buffed. So they're not gonna be buffed the entire time, but like on perpetual mode, for example, this is just kind of like the first eternal mode. So that just means everyone's on everyone is buffed for the entire duration of the night, if that makes sense. So extreme mode is kind of similar. So the way that extreme buffs work, they're these kind of blue ones. They're buffs that make the hopeless mode harder. So you have your hopeless mode buff, and then the extreme mode is basically a harder version of that hopeless mode buff, if that makes sense. So on extreme mode, so on here, it's kind of a similar thing where hopeless mode. So instead of that, at the start of the night, two characters get buffed, and then after that hour is over, they stop being buffed, and then two more characters get buffed after that, two different ones, and then at 5 a.m. everyone gets buffed. So this one's literally more like silent mode, Infinity but dumb. And then of course there's eternal mode, and this is just everyone with their extreme buffs on for the whole night. So it's basically just eternal mode for Infinity but dumb. Everyone's has their buffs. And then if you set them all to aggressive, then that's what Eternal Wrath is. But perfect mode is a separate thing, completely separate from all of this. Those characters, they're gonna have their own mechanics. They're gonna kind of be similar to what they normally are in here, but obviously they're gonna be like super fast and very different on how they act. So that's what perfect mode is. Basically, it's completely different. The buffs in here don't have anything to do with perfect mode. It's not going to use any of the buffs. So that's one misconception about that a lot of people seem to get about perfect mode, is that it's going to be like more buffs. It's not more buffs. It's different mechanics. So yeah, that's kind of how the buffs work for this. Yeah. So now, you know, I could manipulate the colors, but I don't. That's honestly, I don't really. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna do. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this, and then just have them be like its own asset. So let's see. Maybe star yellow. Oh wow. And then we're gonna do star blue. Oh, okay. Thanks, AMD. Also, Larry, I'm not upgrading to Windows 11. Like, you're gonna have to make me. It's 2 buns. The blue cupcake, I'm not gonna leak. Actually, you know what? I will leak. I'm gonna show what the mechanic is for him. Um, Keep in mind, this is like the base perfect mechanics. Then there's also this, but you know, yeah. Like Larry, you get packed by this. But yeah, all the optimization stuff, all the flickering, all the goldies colors not appearing, all that's going to be fixed. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the stars that I had. So this one, I can literally just copy paste it from here. Let's see. Oh yeah, I had I had an inner star and an outer star, and this is actually unused. But originally these presets also had the inner star, but I'm honestly just never ended up using it. That could be a cool way to like indicate if you did perpetual or not, but that would actually be that'd be interesting. But I don't know. Yeah, because it could be like green. Hmm. You know what? I'll try. I'll see. I'll see. Something harder than Factory Man? It's not gonna be harder than Factory Man. Like I don't think anything's going to be harder than Factory Man, if I'm be honest. Yeah, why is it all its own animation? Okay, that's so awesome. Alright, I'm gonna just like copy paste this whole thing. Was this like one above? Okay. I don't know. I guess I'll find out. Yeah, that's fine. Hmm. So this is gonna be what's the y of this? 175 and then 195. So it's just gonna be 20 plus the OGY value. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is this is like one thing I used to do and have it be like a separate animation for everything, but it's not like the greatest thing to do. Well, I guess it depends on your situation, but for something like this, it's not too great. So I'm just gonna copy and paste it all into one animation. So there's gonna be extreme or the red star, and the order I had was yellow, green, blue, red, purple, and then the final one. So I just gotta do that. All right, there we go. And oh, it's Jasmine. Oh, you got 5 a.m. Blood 720. That's cool. You gotta lock in. You gotta don't see that 5 a.m. as discouragement. See it as motivation that you can get to that point. So what are you gonna do to get to that point again? You know, something like that. All right, so this one's gonna be yeah, before this. The size is 40/40. And then the hotspot is, I think is it dead center? It's 21. Yo, it's Pro PG. That's good. How you doing, Pro PG? Yeah, if you did it once, you could do it again. That's very true. So, all right, so then we got the blue star. Looks very clean like this. Actually like that. Okay, and then we're gonna do the same thing. So 40 and then dead center 2021. Okay, I think it's yeah. Alright, so now I got this, set the speed to 0. Now we can delete all of these. And I gotta do it separately. Thank you. And it just teleports me up. Yo, what? Wait, what? How is it doing that? That's so weird. Wait, I could probably... Okay, I can't delete those. I was about to say. Imagine you could delete the default click team animations. That'd be actually sick because they're kind of annoying. But yeah, so there we have these. So now this should show up like that. And big issue with consistency. Yeah, I mean, that's like the one thing. It's hard to have consistency, but you just gotta like keep going. I'll do like 1533. Toggle show all. The main thing that I'm like saying is, or the main thing I'm saying that for is like, if you could actually just straight up delete them, you wouldn't have to do like an offset. You know how like if you set the type of the animation sequence to like a certain value, you have to add, was it like 12 or 13? Like I'm saying, if you could delete that, you wouldn't have to type that in, but just kind of whatever. All right, so 225, so it should be, yeah, okay. Now this is the tedious thing. I'll just do like I have 3. You see like 7. All right. I should make a star for custom challenge. That'd be tough. Larry, bro, what the freak? What a number. Oh, put a wrong amount. That's fine. Let's duplicate it again. All right, so now set the instance values. Custom challenge plus. Oh my gosh. Like actually. Okay, so now I gotta rework the save data because the stars will show up, but yeah. Well, I mean, one, I gotta animate them. Let me actually do that. Ooh, it would be interesting to like, it would be interesting to do like an animation for like when you get a new star, but I don't know. I feel like that's too much work. Maybe later, but I don't know. So what I'm gonna do, just gonna have rotation and scale, and then I'll animate both of these. So then I'll have scale direction, and then you know what? Actually, I'll have, because it's like I kind of want to modify this kind of thing. So I'm gonna modify like how smoothly the star turns. Yeah, progress has been pretty good on this. I do want to try to stream as much as I can because eventually I'm gonna try to pack all of these streams into like one supercut with like, I don't know, just like a whole devlog. You know, that's kind of the point that I'm trying to do with this. I don't have a charger. Shoot. Okay, I don't have. That's fine. Okay. Yeah, but this one I'm not gonna be able to stream for super long, but yeah, just a little bit. Just I'll try to work out the save data, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so rotation, and then there's gonna be a rotation counter. So now I'll have the UI. I could put it in with the presets, but yeah, I'll just put it in with the presets. We can move this into here. So now, start a frame, I'm just gonna set, I mean, the default is 0, so that works. Yeah. So I'm just gonna do an always, and I'm just gonna add delta time to the rotation counter. And so then what we can do is we could check if it's greater than a certain value, and then we add a specific amount to the rotation. And I'll do like, I'll do like 15 for now. We'll kind of figure it out. That is going to rotate this. And then we're just going to set the rotation count is 0, and then we're going to add, I don't know, like 5 to the rotation. With easing formulas? Oh, like your custom easing formulas without a plugin? Because the most common one is like a lerp, but you can literally do, I mean, you could do your own linear easing. You could do, I've tried to do stuff like that in Game Maker. I made like my own kind of easing class, I guess you could call it. And then I'm just gonna call this update. We could set the angle to the rotation. And then quality's not super high. I'll do like 0.5. Yeah, so now this is doing that. That is pretty slow. That's fine, but I'm just gonna do like 15 to the rotation, and then I'll actually do negative 15 because I want it to rotate the other way. Yeah. I'm not sure. I'll set this to 1 because it looks pretty bad. Yeah. Is that? I don't know. How did I have it here? I could probably just copy and paste what I had from here. Yeah, okay. Much faster. I think the angle amount is fine. I'll set this to like 5. Maybe like 7. It's pretty good. Yeah. I'll do like 5 and then add a smaller amount. Like 10. Quality stays at 0. Oh, really? That's crazy. What? Yeah, that's basically like the basic linear equation, where it would be more of like a plus b minus a times t, and that's like what you use for lerp. But the reason that lerp looks like that is because a is actually the current value and it's not the starting value. If you have a set starting value, which is a constant, and a set ending value, which is also a constant, you have b, and then your time is your t, then that would give you like an actual linear kind of interpolation. Whereas lerp, it does that on, like, let's say t is 0.5. It would be from the current position to the destination. It would go to that halfway point, and then it sets the current position to, well, it sets a as the current position, so then it goes to the halfway point of that, which is, it's kind of like, oh, what's that? It's like the myth of the forget who it was. I think it was a Greek mythology. He's like trying to reach the other side, and he has to go halfway, and then he has to go halfway again, and he keeps getting halfway to the finish, but he never actually reaches the finish because he keeps going halfway to the finish. So that's kind of what lerp is, pretty much. And instead of halfway, it would be like whatever t is set to. But because we have we're working with numbers and like floating points, it eventually reaches that destination after some time. But yeah. But yeah, so now I'm gonna have a scale, and we're just gonna do, let's have, if the flag is off, then I'm gonna set the scale to, and it's gonna be adding. I guess We could do like 0. What do I want to do? Like 0.1 probably could work. We'll see. Now if we do this, set this to on. We do 0, we do max, we subtract. Wait, is FGP streaming? I actually don't know that. Okay, so we're gonna do if scale equals 0, we're gonna set the flag off. And if scale equals 1, we're gonna set the flag on. So now we're gonna update this to set the scale to 1 less than this. And then I'll probably do like, I'll do 0.1. Actually, wait, no, I have to do minus. Yeah, because it's from 1 to 0.9. And then I might have to change this. Okay, that works. I think it's a little too fast. So like 0.07. For the ease in and out, that z value has to be different. Ultra value under an always condition set to. Okay. Oh, I see. Interesting. I was kind of experimenting with different functions. But like, yeah, I don't actually know how a lot of programs do it. Like, for example, Roblox. There's like it has its own like easing and stuff like that, and there's certain functions it uses. So I don't know. You'll have to kind of mess around with it. I usually go into like Desmos or something and just graph it out. Yeah, I think this is good though. This looks fine. Yeah, that's good. So now the save data system, and I'm gonna do, I'll do like a prompt similar to what I had in here. I think I made it so that, okay, it's here somewhere. Leave game, yeah. So this right here, it's literally just that. Like, why? Why is that a thing that I made? So let me fix that. Desmos, I mean, I usually kind of just like, let me get Desmos. Like, if you want to have, I mean, I could kind of give point slope. So to make a point, you have one value, another value. I'll set this to 0, and you have a y value, an x value, or another y value, and then you can make a point that you can move around like that. That gives you a point, and then you can do. You have another point, and then to make a line between them, it's I'll see if I remember my point slope. It should be x1, x0 all over y1, y0. Then that gives your slope. So then you would do x, and then it would be x minus your x0, and then plus y0. And this gives a line between these, and you could, I think I did that wrong. I think it's so y0 my y1. Or it's y at the top. I actually don't know. Yeah, I think I have to swap these. Yeah, there we go. So this is the actual slope. Gosh, I don't remember my point slope. So now this will give you a line between these, and you could kind of use this as like a baseline for like a linear equation. So you could honestly just keep the this to 0 and 1. So this would be your starting value, your y0, and then your y1 is your ending value, and then your t would be the actual x. If that makes sense. I don't know. I think it's a really nice tool for stuff like this. Kind of, I guess, if you know what you're doing. And then if you want to as well, you could literally just do x0, x1, and then that kind of makes it so that the line only appears between the two, like that. Yeah, that's kind of like what I use it for. Let me get, oh wow, okay. I think I just leaked something. Here, let me get this stream open on a different device. Okay, but yeah, for now, I'm gonna make this. I want to basically ask the user if they want to load their old save data from the older version, because I'm gonna rework the save system because it's really weirdly done, especially with the achievements, or not the achievements, the statistics. It's really weird. But let me see if I could get this open. There we go. Okay, so let's go into paint.net. I'm just gonna change this kind of just this background prompt. I don't know why I like had this habit of like baking text into assets instead of like just using a string in ClickTeam. I guess it's because I wanted where is it? It's here somewhere. UI stuff maybe? Yeah, right here. I guess it's because I wanted to have like a drop shadow, but you could literally do this inside of ClickTeam. I think we're just gonna remove this. Oh, whoops. And have this be the background. Okay. So we're gonna have, I could do like a separate thing for that, yeah. So this is just gonna be called prompt, and I'll have a blur object. Let's copy paste this. And this is something that I've been trying to do a lot lately. That ProPG kind of mentioned it. So it's basically making like a small version. If you have like an object that covers the whole screen that's one color, I like to make like a 0.1 times scale version. And yeah, so it's 192 by 108. And then you scale it up in the actual game. So let's see, I'm gonna do, this is gonna be the blur. Let's make it like white or something. Yeah, so I'm gonna do, let's see. So I forget what effect this is. This is like, I think it's literally just blur. I don't know. I don't remember which one I used. Channel blur? Nah. I think it's this one. I guess I'll find out. Yeah, so then here I would just set the size to 10 and then quality to 0 just to save, just to optimize as much as possible. And so this should give me an effect. I don't have the effect file. Okay, which one did I use in here? Oh, background blur 30. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, oh, let me use that one. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Yeah, there we go. Now we actually have it. Wow, that is... Oh, it uses like a fragment kind of blur. Okay, that's... Oh, I see what it's doing. Okay. I did like 1.0. What does that look like? Yeah, that's better. Looks very, yeah, very disorienting. Oh, okay. And then that's like, yeah, set that to 0. Do like 0.5 even. Might be. That's probably not enough. I mean, that actually works. I'll do like 1.0 though. Or even like, is there a different effect? Okay, this one could look, it looks, I think this is literally the same thing. Yeah. This one looks worse, I think. I'll just do 30. I don't even know what the difference is, but yeah. This one's probably better. Yeah, that one's like way better. Okay. So now let's move this to effects. This one I'm gonna put with the presets UI. And then I'm going to have the prompt. Bro got an ad, get packed, get clapped, and more. So yeah, here's gonna be the prompt if it loads. Oh my gosh. That should crash my click team. Okay, we're good. Why is it like never asks for this? Okay, that's fine. All right, there we go. Put this to... Am I done? 540? No, 640. It's just like... It's 960. Like, what am I doing? Okay. Um... So that's there. Let me do like a ×2. Yeah, it should be fine, honestly. I don't think that will affect too much. Yeah. Like, aren't you in the game? Wait, he wants to call. All right, fine. We're gonna get the Thunder Crew on. Yo, like, it's over. I gotta delete the stream. If he doesn't join, then like, we're cooked. GG. Okay, what's up?
Yo. Now the stream is at now people are actually gonna be interested in the stream.
Yo, like, why is not me in the chat? Like, what the heck? Like,
I don't
he's
know what
back
not
from the dead.
bro not that was not me that said that. Yeah, he took my phone.
Like, what the heck? All right, there we go. So we have our prompt.
Anyways, hello stream. The coolest one in the game.
Guess who's not the coolest guy? If there's power,
I
there's gonna be
actually
like door overheats.
I actually am the coolest person in the game. I'm the one that insults you for sucking complete dick.
Guess who's the not cool person?
Jonathan, bro.
Yep. Boom.
We don't like him. He says mean things to me and abuses me physically.
Oh, the truth comes out.
Jonathan throws me against walls and tells me I'm a piece of shit that will never amount to anything. True story, I swear.
Yeah. And then you tell him friendly fire and he does it even
He
worse.
heralds slurs at me.
Yep. Okay, let's see. So now we have our prompt. I gotta do the text in here. So I'm just gonna do like let's do like a normal string.
Yeah, bro. Earlier, my dad helped me with trying to pick out like a new laptop
Oh yeah.
and everything. Coming tomorrow.
Oh nice. Yo, now we can start the world.
If it fucking works out, if it all works out and it doesn't, the same shit doesn't
Like,
happen
fool
again,
me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me.
it's even my fault.
Like, why'd you
I'm bad at.
break it? Like, why'd you break
I didn't
it?
break it, you monkey.
Like, why'd you break it? What the heck?
I
Alright, so we're gonna set the
thought,
font to
but no,
like
I
22.
didn't. But like, yeah, so hopefully it'll come. Well, it's coming tomorrow, but like, hopefully it'll work. It
Yeah,
won't
and then we could
fix. And then
start
hopefully
the Minecraft World
then we could like,
streams. That's gonna be tough.
yeah, uh, chat, all you chuds watching. We we have like these Minecraft worlds that we do, and the next one we plan on him and I are we're gonna like dual stream.
Yeah, so
It's gonna be
we'll stream
cool.
the grand opening. I'll do one on my channel and then he's gonna do one on his.
I'll do one on my channel that barely classifies as a channel because I don't post much.
I mean, you have a video such as Local Idiot Tries to Be Cool in Minecraft and more.
I mean, there's also the video where I lava casted Jonathan's house, killed his dog and his happy guest, which
Yeah,
was it done in retaliation, and I don't regret it. It was fucking
so
hilarious. Y'all should have seen it. Y'all should have seen how he reacted when he did that. When we did that,
yeah, the context of that was like basically this Chud
he was a bum.
Jonathan, yeah, he was the owner of the world and he would abuse his power a lot and just kind of he would turn on PvP, kill people and then turn PvP back off. And it was like
He'd be
the
a
dumbest
dick.
thing. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. And so basically what we did is we had enough and then we just griefed his house and we left the world and it was so tough. It was so funny.
Yeah, and by we, it was mostly me.
That's true.
I lava casted his goddamn house. And then like last night or whatever, or like a few nights ago, he tried hitting me with the, you know what, cobblestone isn't really that hard to get off. when you have efficiency, and I was over here saying it's not about. That's literally what he said. It's not. I was just sitting there thinking, bro, it's not about the annoyance of getting it off. It's about the message, and the message was "fuck you."
Yeah, basically.
But yeah, it'll be peak. Bunch of dorks just playing Minecraft, and I'm gonna be the server owner this time. I'm gonna be buying the realm, which means I get the power, and I'll only abuse it to annoy Jonathan. I am debating, dude. Loki, it'd be so funny if we had PvP on, but didn't tell them until like and then we randomly start like fucking punching people.
Wait, that'd be hilarious.
Like I'm just not gonna tell anyone that it's off, but it's on. I kind of want. I kind of want to put. I also have tempted to put keep fire spreads on just to see how long it would take for Jonathan to act upon it, thinking it's off.
You know, it's funny. Fire spreads is like super useful for making like a overall gold farm. It's like having it on wouldn't even be that big of a issue until people start griefing. But you know, that's funny.
Yeah, but griefing's funny. Always blow up your friend's house, guys.
Exactly.
It's
Does
hashtag
this
funny.
does this work? What the hell? That's like not working at all. Okay. Glow
Is bro
totem.
on VC okay?
Are you okay?
Uh, I think.
Maybe. I don't know. I guess
I'm
we'll
just
find
a
out.
dick. My listen, Ruby Rose '06. I am an asshole. If that's your do it for the dog. Server when I have PvP mode. Feel like war crime. Yeah, that's pretty accurate.
I think it's a dual glow. Oh yeah, it is. Okay. So inner is gonna be white. Outer is gonna be, yeah.
You have old save data for challenge. That's peak.
It's gonna be so tough. And this should be 3.0. I think this will work. We'll find out. Yeah, that works. Okay, cool.
I like how in the last like SMP, bro, I didn't even have a house.
Yeah,
Literally throughout I just did not want to make a house, so
that's
I was
like
just homeless the
that's just like
entire
how I
SMP.
play, honestly. Like I just don't make a house.
I just couldn't find a house that I'm not a good builder, and I literally don't, and I didn't, I couldn't. There was like nothing interesting that I wanted to do. That we could also do that didn't have to. I didn't require a fuck ton of work finding like biomes because frankly I didn't want to go through the effort of searching for that shit. So I said fuck nah, I'm just gonna be homeless. And then Jonathan kept being like, bro, you gotta make a house, that gamer. And I'm like, no.
Laugh and have gamer, why didn't you make a house? Why?
You know, that meme, that whole joke we have with that is funny when you remember that like that's like the username I had like 5 years ago.
And bro still calls you by it.
Bro, him and firework, bro.
Like,
And
that's
occasionally
crazy.
thunder.
Oh yeah, and Firework does the same thing, yeah.
Like, bro, it's been 5 years. It's been 5 years. Little fun fact about Genesis balance. Absolutely. Hello, hi Zany. What up, bro?
Wait, I like have two button yes strings. What am I doing? It's supposed to be no. Nope.
This is actually gonna be the most unbalanced mode, bro.
Honestly, that's not too far off. It's
It's
just
gonna
kind of
be.
weird.
I still think we should make the Return to Thunders low
The
key.
Return to Thunders, like,
Super Cancer.
yeah.
What would our version of that be, Super Jonathan?
Oh, wait, yeah.
Loki Jonathan top one.
Jonathan top one.
Jonathan.
That's his new name, Jonathan.
Super secret. There's like a really low chance for his name to appear as Jonathan.
Jonathan. Yes. We gotta do that. We gotta get Jonathan on call.
He's online, I think.
Oh, get him on, bro. Get him on.
Or he was.
Like, too bad. So sad.
I
Lock
mean, he might be at
John.
work.
Oh, Lock John. Oh my god.
John!
Yes. Yes,
Can we
bro.
do? We need to mod this dude just for that. That's actually really genius, bro.
That's actually
Lock
genius.
John.
Lock John.
Can I mod this dude? Put user in timeout. Well, I can't do that.
Image of
That
bald
image of
person
bald
with
person
this.
with
Like, don't worry about it, bro. Like, don't worry about it.
Lock John.
This
Lock
is
John is
actually
actually so genius.
this is actually the Lock John face reveal. Oh, Jonathan. Yeah. This is I can't leak the group chat. It'd be very bad for me. But yeah. All right. So do I want to do a controller for this? I probably do. Let's do that. Oh wait. Where am I
Is
putting
that
this?
League of Part 2 of Thunder's Frenzy? What the fucking bald guy? Yeah, that's Lock John.
Yeah, that's Lock John.
You know, Jonathan would be the type of person to slip onto a bar of soap into a spring lock suit and get spring locked.
Yeah, I mean he did take off his armor in the Nether and get blown up.
True. He did do that. He did take his armor off in the Netherworld Netherite mining because he wanted to save durability. So yes, that is totally fucking something he would do.
Yeah. Like it's gonna be prompt ID. Then here we could just do
If this is Thunder's Frenzy recoded.
exactly. I bet vent won't save me.
Not
Meaning...
even praying won't work.
Oh.
You just gotta get good.
Yeah, you just gotta like lock in.
Like low-key skill issue, just get good. I could beat the shit. Actually, no, I couldn't. I couldn't beat Tricky 10 because someone didn't optimize their game well.
Someone can't hear? I don't know. Like bro was playing Tricky 10 and he was like so scared of Ultra.
I wasn't scared of all. I was like not used to his thing. I also couldn't play Tricky 10.
Like bro's terrified.
I'm not. I got over like it was weird the first time, and then I got over it, but then I couldn't beat Tricky 10 because my computer for some fucking reason can't run that shit. And the worst part is I can't even get like a video of it because if I try to take a video of it, it's like genuinely gonna look like it's totally black. That just makes it look like it's black when recording. I wish I could physically show you like how laggy it got. And it was only Tricky 10 as well. Like, I think I had some lag here and there, but it wasn't significant enough to, like, fuck me over for, like, exit it and not play it again. I feared to know what would happen if I tried to get the hardest mode. I don't get it. It's actually weird. Because I have a pretty good laptop. I mean, I can play TikTok in that. Well, I can play Security Breach on that damn thing. Like, how the hell are you gonna make a mode so unnecessary that it doesn't run well on my computer, but fucking Security Breach can run well, bro?
Look, bro, it's click team. I don't know.
Like, bro, is actually garbage. Loki, I clapped that. Okay, buddy.
Yeah, it's in very early stages, so it's pretty free now. But it's gonna go through
Yeah, it's kind of chopped low
a
key.
lot of buffing, more characters being added, and more. Like it's literally missing 5 mechanics, so that's why it looks so easy because it's incomplete.
What does this or like yeah? Why does the mode that look now like perfect Golden Freddy?
Like you'll find out. Yeah, I mean
Perfect
look
Goldie.
is okay. So we're gonna have a perfect Goldie Freddy. I mean
Get
it's
his ass in the call, bro.
yeah. I mean I feel like Goldie would say stuff that would get me banned though, so I don't know.
Ah, who cares?
Actually, no, Thunderwood. On God, Thunderwood.
Motherfucker, you put me on the call as well.
Okay, but you don't
And
say
you
like
only have that fear
slurs
with him.
because I trust you not to say slurs when I'm streaming.
Bad idea.
Like, sure.
I'll say
Like,
one right now.
talk to my mute button.
Motherfucker, I got another ad that I'm gonna say it. I'm going to Flare Studios VC. Look, you should drag him in here real quick. Bruh.
I'm good. Let's see. I need to.
Yeah. I wonder how that dude is that was like trying to beat like the 24 AI Jonathan mode.
Bro, he has like a 4 minutes on it.
Damn, I
Like, that's the worst thing ever. Like, basically, some guy's doing Tricky 10 with 24 AI Jonathan, and it's like actually the worst shit.
Yo, Zany, why you in Grinder VC? Loki, that's kinda crazy.
Like,
What are you trying to say, buddy?
the truth comes out.
The truth comes out. What are you doing there, buddy?
Oh, yeah,
You
that
just
is you.
who the fuck dragged me? I have no idea. Bro, someone I don't know who did that, bro. Like why you in there though, bro?
Who did that?
Who did that? I think that was done on your own accord. Not gonna lie.
Bro made
Like I couldn't lie. Like that was
Wait, Pro PG actually made Lockjaw. That's tough.
the mode is 80% luck.
Like I don't. Oh
Like
yeah, no, like actually, bro, with Jonathan. Oh my gosh, like it's so bad,
oh 24 AI Jonathan.
bro. Like he attacks like every 3 seconds. What the heck?
Just get good.
Alright, so for this, I'm gonna do uh yeah, do like color
You know
2.
what? Earlier
Yeah, my
I
bad,
was like
bro.
scrolling
Two
Twitter.
seconds.
I was like scrolling Twitter earlier, and not gonna lie, I saw a cool idea
Oh
someone
yeah.
threw around. So you know how there was like the thing with like the teleporting mechanic that implies the existence of a fifth animatronic like once you got all
Oh
the
yeah, in
sponsors.
FNAF 6. Yeah.
I've seen some people speculate that it was supposed to be the logbook like fucked up scrapped Chica thingy.
Oh, I don't know about that, but I mean,
I mean,
one can
like,
dream.
what else could it be, realistically speaking?
An ad
Because
monster.
to this day, we still do not know what the fuck that was about.
Yeah. I'm gonna just say inconclusive.
I mean, it could be anything. Like
Yeah, like
realistically speaking,
literally.
nothing. It could be literally anything. There's no real
I
way of
mean,
knowing
hell, it couldn't.
what
It
the
didn't even
intention
have
was.
to be like another animatronic. It could have literally just been some sort of like feature, or like something that happens when you accept those sponsorships. Maybe it was just something that like occurs throughout the night that wouldn't occur normally. I don't know.
I'm pretty sure it was.
Could have been like an Easter
I'm
egg. It could have
pretty
been literally anything.
I'm pretty sure it was though. I'm pretty sure there's at least a little leftover code that straight up just suggests it's an animatronic.
5th animatronic. I'll have to look
Like I'm
into
pretty
it.
sure there's. I'm telling you, in fact, there's unused enemy that was going to appear. Almost all the code was seemingly erased before launch. I'm pretty sure there is like just like a scrap of code
I mean, I
that
could
that
verify
like
that.
kind of heavily implies the existence of a fifth one.
I
So who
could
knows?
verify
Maybe
that.
it was. I kind of like the idea of it being like a weird amalgamation monster of all the sponsorships.
Yeah, but like, you know, what's the significance to the lore?
No, literally. You know, if I could ask Scott Cawthon one thing, I think I'd ask him that.
Like
What was
actually.
the fucking fifth animatronic going to be? I still
Yeah.
think it was. I still think it was going to be just straight up a fifth animatronic. Because I do not see there being a reason why he would program the slots in that way other than just because the thing is the whole thing about Lefty fucking disappearing or not being able to like teleport, like obviously that was his mistake. But it was a mistake left over due to an unused animatronic slot.
Yeah.
So either Scott just fucked up during a fuck up. Either like there was either a fuck up and a fuck up, or like there was a fifth animatronic. He scrapped that and just forgot to scrub that little piece of the code left
Yeah. I mean, you also
when
have
he
to
was developing
realize
that mechanic.
like Scott as a developer is
He's not a
literally
good
like
fucking coder.
it's
He's
literally
not a good coder.
like a meth head. Like his IDs for the doors in FNAF 1 are literally I think it's 0, 1, 2, 4. Like bro just skips a number for some reason. I don't know. It's weird.
0, 1. I don't know.
But
I
like
tried to come up with some like batshit insane explanation, but
I feel like a lot of the stuff that he does in Click Team is just criminal, honestly. Like there's no other way to explain it. It's just criminal.
yeah. Again, Scott Cawthon, not a very good programmer. But again, I think it does speak volumes. And I've said this before. I still think it speaks volumes that like he was able to program the games in a way where you barely notice that something is wrong or something was done shittily without directly fucking diving into the code.
Yeah. But I
Like
mean, a lot
I
of games are
genuinely
like
cannot
that
think of the
though.
last. Well, yeah, but like just with all this discourse about like Scott Cawthon's programming being so fucking weird and like all the max mode fuckers that have like delved into the code to like figure out like how this stuff works. It's still very, very impressive that like everything just seems perfectly fine. But then once you notice that those like little things like Toy Bonnie being the only vent animatronic to work that way, or like he's like the only one that isn't affected by like the waiting a few seconds. Like it's something you just can't unnotice, you know.
Yeah.
But it's
I
one thing
think
that you
it's
literally never would have fucking noticed.
I wouldn't say it's impressive. I'd say it's more so like a miracle that it's like everything's holding together.
I don't know. I just think it's cool. I just think it's cool, but also just really funny how the only reason that we know half the shit we do now with the games is because we had to delve into the code and it wasn't just a complete fucking accident.
I mean,
That we
yeah,
even found the
you could say the
code.
same for something like Yonder Simulator. You look at that and it's just a family tree of if
Okay,
statements.
there's a difference. Yandere Simulator was fucking visibly fucked up from the start.
Well, I mean, yeah, but like
It ran like complete fucking shit.
and you know
Like
what? Bro, do y'all know about the Yonder Simulator toothbrush? Oh my gosh.
no,
She gonna
but
call
I'm
me baby, bro.
She ain't gonna call me baby boo.
what the
Bro,
fuck?
the Yandere freaking
When
The
Yandere
the fuck
have a
did you
toothbrush.
get on
Bro,
call?
no, fire, bro. It's like oh my god, the freaking Garden of Ban radio.
Bro, when the fuck did you get here?
I've been here, bro. Trust me.
What the fuck? I mean, hi,
Like, bro
but what
spawned
the
in.
fuck?
Bro spawned in.
Bro, spawned in, yes sir, bro. Natural spawns, bro.
Yeah.
Anyways, this is firework. He's kind of gay, not gonna lie.
She gonna call me baby, bro. Also,
Hey,
why are
call
you
me
talking
baby.
about yourself?
Oh, packed. What the heck?
Attack your mom. Shut the fuck up.
Like, what's that mean?
Shut the
Because,
fuck up.
girl, you like Five Nights at Freddy's. What does that mean?
Okay, fucking furry PFP.
Oh, what?
We're very great friends. As you can
America.
tell.
Oh,
Scott Code is terrible. If I could
the
ask
freak?
Scott Cawthon one thing, I would ask, what were you smoking? He was
No,
smoking the
like,
coffin pack.
oh my gosh, he was actually smoking the coffin pack.
I just like, bro. I'm trying to think, like, again, like the whole like, thing in FNAF 4, how like Freddy's the only one not on like a. That is still. I get why it's the case,
Oh
but
my
it's still really fucking weird how like in that game Freddy's the only one not on 20 AI.
Yo, what the heck was that?
But
Yo, like, that's actually crazy.
I'm trying to
What
think.
did it just
Like
do?
the 420 mode in FNAF like 4 or whatever, with like a functioning Freddy 20 AI, that is doable, right?
It's possible.
People have done that.
I know someone who wanted me to like I modded it in for them so that they could actually do it, and they were doing they wanted me to specifically mod in 20 AI Freddy and then also like Insta Foxy as well. And so he was
Why?
doing
Just
like with challenges and
why?
stuff. Um
Why?
he just wanted to see if it was possible, and he got like I think he got like a 3 or 4 a.m. on it, so it's definitely
But like,
possible.
you don't even need to mod that in. Just mod that. Instant Foxy's a fucking challenge.
Well,
The
no,
preset challenge.
the way that it works in the game, you kind of have to mod it in. It's super weird
Oh,
because when you get the challenges, you don't use them on 420. You use them on Nightmare.
the fuck?
It's weird because
I
you can't replay 420 after that. It's super weird.
what? Wait, you can't redo 420 after you
No,
beat it?
once you beat 420, you can't redo it. You have to like literally edit your save to do it again.
Why?
I don't know, bro. It's weird.
What the fuck? I never knew this.
Yeah.
This is fucking news to me.
Yeah. At least on PC. I don't know about mobile, but yeah,
Maybe it's different on mobile and console, but I did not fucking know. I did not know about this. This is
yeah,
fucking news to me.
it's super weird, bro. I genuinely have no clue why, but yeah, you have to like mod it in.
Yo, does anyone remember that incredibly brief period of time when the FNAF 2 mobile port was updated and Click Team got rid of Foxy still being active on Zero AI, which led people to believe that it was an unintentional thing, and Scott was like, nah, dude, that was intentional, and they changed it back.
Oh, I actually have not know. I did not know that. You can play
Yeah,
on console with new patch. Makes sense. Okay.
like what's it called? In like for FNAF 2, you know how although like the mobile ports got updated because they were like dog shit doo doo.
Yeah.
One of the updates, one of the first updates after the mobile port got updated, if not the first, but I don't think it was. It was one of the first updates after the updated version came out. They removed the thing where Foxy's always active, even if he's on Zero AI.
Oh.
So I guess they mistaken it for a bug. So people were like, "Holy shit!" I thought that was intentional. It was intentional the whole time. And then Scott goes on Reddit and is like, "Bro, what? This was fucking intentional."
Dang.
So Quick Team were like, "Oops, gotta revert that."
Bro, like when you
Oopsie-daisy.
when you gotta get Click Team to take your shitty code and make a mobile version of it, like that's horrible. Like I'd just quit if I was working at Click Team and I had to make a mobile port of FNAF. Like I'd just quit on the
Okay,
spot.
I think it's more impressive that Click Team took on the mobile ports for the One Night at Flubdy's games when those weren't even on fucking Click Team.
What? They did that?
Yeah.
Wasn't One Night at Flumpty's in Game Maker? I actually don't remember.
Yeah. All 3 One Night at Flubdy's games were made in Game Maker, but then for whatever reason, Click Team were given the fucking responsibility of porting them over to mobile, like when they were doing the mobile and now scrapped console ports, Quick Team were responsible for porting those over. And even like Jonachrome back then made like a jab. I was like, I don't know why Quick Team was given the responsibility of porting over games not made in their engine.
That's so weird. What?
But like, yeah, very fucking weird. I don't know why that happened because Game Maker games are more than possible to release on, console and mobile. Cough, cough, Undertale, Deltarune. Like,
You know, it's funny.
those.
Someone made a mobile port of the old Thunder's Frenzy.
I saw that. Yeah, I remember.
And the funny thing is, it doesn't even run. Like, at least on my phone, like when I load into the game, it just crashes.
Still better than the original release.
Like, I mean, I guess not, like, having it force you to not play is probably better, so.
Probably, yeah. Trying to think of like other funny. This isn't really a oopsie on Quick Game. I just randomly I remember this. I remember like in like sixth grade, like fifth or sixth grade. I would play like FNAF on my little like shitty ass Android phone. And like all my friends would watch me. That's actually the first time I ever beat 420 mode. It was on the bus to going to school in fifth grade, and like me and my friends were all freaking the fuck out when I finally beat it. But
Yeah.
I always remember. I think it was the first time in my life that I ever got crumbled Freddy, like the weird ass like Freddy in the left corner that you can get in like the third game. And I
Oh,
was just like,
yeah.
what the fuck is that? You know what? To this day, and I will stand on this to this day, that is the weirdest fucking Easter egg in this entire franchise. Because what the fuck is that supposed to be? I think it's like what Scott? What is that?
I guess we'll never know.
You know what? I take back what I said earlier. That would be the one thing I would ask Scott Cawthon.
Yeah. Fair enough.
Old Android FNAF 2 was so bad. Yeah, Pro PG wasn't Golden Freddy. Like Golden Freddy was busted on the original Android port.
And like the move timers and
I think
everything was
Android
just like super weird.
Like I think Android, like no fuck, specifically Android. Like I mean the old mobile ports were all bad, and like regardless on iOS or Android. But if I remember correctly, specifically on Android, and I cannot fathom to understand why this happened on specifically just this. But specifically Android, I remember had a really big issue with Golden Freddy that made him like 10 times harder to deal with than he was ever supposed to be and ever was. Like, and like if it was like on both versions, if it was like both versions of the mobile port, I would understand. But no, it was just Android specifically. Like, how the fuck do you do that?
It's weird, bro. I don't know.
On Android specifically, he could appear in the hall with others there. Oh yeah, I think that was it. Yeah, if I remember correctly, that's exactly what it was. Like on specifically Android, he could be in the hallway when you couldn't see him. I don't think that can happen in the original game. And if it can, it's such a rare occurrence that it like has never happened. I don't think I've ever had that happen to me. Like Golden Freddy in the hallway when like you physically can't see him.
Yeah. There's I mean, even now it's a thing that appears now, but he can appear during the when it locks your flashlight, he could still appear in the hallway and you die to it.
Yeah.
Super weird.
Dude, remember
Like Scott was built different, but like he was built wrong. Like that's the thing.
he was built backwards.
Yeah.
Dude, remember during the FNAF 2 when I was trying to beat 1020 in one of the live streams?
Oh yeah,
When I
yeah.
like accidentally shined Golden Freddy in the hallway like 15 times. And
You still
somehow
have the
didn't
clip
die.
somewhere, right?
What? I have the clip somewhere, yeah. Let me pull it up.
Yeah.
Like that was crazy, bro. Like
You change this to like 7. Yeah, I'll do a 0.5 actually.
what's it called? Yeah, let me get the clip. But yeah, like I flashed him in the hallway like
Oh,
fucking
True
15
Player.
times.
True Player did all the old mobile ports. Dude, like, yeah. Vanilla FNAF, but not only that, the freaking mobile ports, like it's just over at that point.
I gotta find it, bro. I got it. Here, I'll put it in the group chat.
Uh,
There we go.
why is this
Alright, I
like?
put it in our group chat. But I will always remember. Again, like, also the first time I ever got Shadow Bonnie. That was fucking. I got Shadow Bonnie on call one time as well.
Oh fuck! What?
Hey, remember when you got the Foxy Easter egg?
Dude, you know what's funny? I got the Foxy Easter egg randomly, and I was like, oh cool.
Yeah, you got it on call.
Yeah, and it was like the
You were
first or
streaming.
second attempt. I was streaming it, and then I got the Foxy Easter egg. I was like, oh cool.
It was literally the first try. It was your. I remember it. Where you were on call. You were streaming FNAF 2 night 1 or whatever. It was night 1. You loaded into it. You got the Easter egg.
Yeah. Hey, here's Lockjohn.
Lockjaw.
You gotta like put Jonathan's face over it. It'd be tough. Ooh, I should make this in Blender. Like make it like the really weird Return to Freddy style. I wonder like what modifiers was this? Like I guarantee you the topology for this is like horrible. Like I guarantee, bro, just like set the resolution all the way up like to the max and then just like use the sculpt tool to like put the holes in. And like never did retopology at all.
Dude, the guy who made the Return to Freddy's.
Yeah. Like I don't doubt it, bro. What was it, Tyler Alstrom?
Oh, there's a Kyle or something.
Yeah. The color temperature for the Lockjaw Foxy model.
Beep, beep.
I guarantee you the model is like horrendously optimized. Like I'm willing to put money on that. But you know.
Probably. God, the Return to Freddy's was an interesting fan game. I don't mean the sequel. I mean literally the original.
Yeah.
Like all stolen assets and code. It wasn't even just the asset. It was straight up the code, bro.
Bro, like it's so tough.
Can't forget Sugar the cat.
Sugar the cat, the goat.
Sugar the cat.
Five Nights at Freddy's fan games are home to some of the
Firework?
good, the bad, and downright horrible.
Okay, so you know the Return to Freddy's?
Yeah.
When that game first came out and it was originally called FNAF 3 Fan Made, the person who made the game fucking stole renders of Candy the Cat from Emil, because like Candy's existed before the release of the actual fan game. I'm pretty sure the fan game was made to fucking like say like this is my character or whatever. But like Emil posted like renders of Candy, and the person who made Return to Freddy's back in the day stole those renders, put them into the game, and named the character Sugar the Cat.
Okay, it's gotta be this one. Bro, the jump scare was so tough.
It was literally just
so
Toy Bonnie's jump scare with Candy's head just poorly cropped on. It was fucking hilarious.
Bro, ain't no way.
The Return to Freddy's made you interested in FNAF fan games. That's interesting, actually. Yeah, for me, it was like it was mainly the Five Nights at Candy series, and also, bro, when the Joy of Creation, like when the demos were coming out and stuff like that, like then Reborn came out and like the Halloween edition, bro. Oh my gosh, it was so good. And like when story mode dropped, that was so tough. Oh.
I don't know what got me into fan games. I kind of just got into them. I was like, oh, that one's cool.
Yeah.
Honestly, I've never been that invested in a lot of fan games, if I'm going to be honest.
The
Not because they were bad, I just never really cared.
Yeah, the first one I played was Five Nights at Candy's, and then I tried to make like a scratch version of it back in the day.
I think we've all tried to make a scratch for that fan game.
Bro, like in middle school, oh my gosh, I remember that. Okay, so here I should be able to
Now, dude, want to imagine true hell? Scratch FNAF fan game where the AIs work with movement opportunities.
Oh my gosh, like horrible.
Actually, hell. That is no greater hell than that, bro.
Why is it not showing up? Oh, it's because I'm dumb.
Yeah, you are pretty dumb.
Like, kind of like the Finati.
Might I say a little special? Not gonna lie.
Oh, oh, oh,
Who's the
oh.
fire?
Like that. Yeah, like that.
Okay, all right.
Like fire, bro, you
What's
just
up, buddy?
got packed. I would personally do something about that. I don't know though.
Buddy, I
what
was
you saying?
insulting you, dumbass.
Nah. Like, why'd you say that to fire, bro? You hurt his feelings.
Good.
Bro, I didn't even hear what he said, bro.
Like, fire, bro, you're so hurt right now. Like, I could tell.
Oh my
I-
god, why would you say
I heard it.
that? What?
I heard it. I heard it. I heard it. His feelings.
Yep.
Yeah, you heard it in my feelings, bro. Heard it in
The night
so bad.
shifts to Freddy's.
Meow.
That's tough. Yeah, we're all playing the night shifts to Freddy's.
Night shift and Freddy. No, bro, you know what we gotta make? You know what we gotta make?
What's up?
And hear me out. Hear me out. What if we made day shift at Thunders?
Day shift at the. No, we gotta make days and nights at Thunders. Oh.
Days and nights at Thunders. Yo. Hell yeah.
Like, that's so tough.
To this day, I'll still bug Thunder asking, hey, when's the next Getting to Streak 13 FNAF AR stream?
Bro, like, it's like, when's the next FNAF AR talk? Like, when's Doco
Yeah,
Swore
when's the
Part
next
2?
FNAF AR talk?
Like,
Guys, the next rebeating event series is coming soon, I swear.
we need
I
Doco
swear I'll
Swore
get to
Part
Dark Circus.
2.
I swear I'll get to rebeating Dark Circus event soon.
Yep. Okay, so we set the paragraph to.
I kind of wish I didn't. I kind of wish I didn't stop then. Because actually, if I remember correctly, people were actually liking that series.
You gotta lock in, you gotta
On
do
like,
it.
on like my. Yeah, let me just. Oh yeah, let me do it. Let me do it now with the fucking dead game. Yeah.
Oh,
Let me do it with the game that's no longer in service.
You gotta do Forsaken AR, bro. You gotta do rebeating. What's like the latest event they did, like Slop Sunday? I
Oh
don't know.
yeah, Forsaken AR is a game I want to play.
Yeah. Alright, hold up. I'll be back, guys. We're back.
Oh yeah, he left to go eat dinner or something.
Oh dang.
Or-
Tragic. Alright, so let's see.
Bro, top 10 moments, bro. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Trying.
So I'm gonna have
Let me turn this on, bro.
that's the... Yo, you're at the wrong restaurant. Yo, that's the wrong restaurant.
Psych. That's the wrong number. Alright, bro.
Psych. That's the wrong number. Oh.
Bro, I'm about to fall over. Oh my god. Yo, damn.
What are you doing, bro? What the heck?
Dude, I was literally just trying to stand up. I low-key was about to die.
Hey.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I'm lucky about to remove these qualifiers. Kind of pointless. Just like a wasted qualifier. I'm good. You don't need that. Alright. Let's see.
Wait, you can like listen to a song for
What song? If you see some
hold on.
bullshit, like I'm about to block you.
Wait, I'm gonna show you, bro. Hold on.
Oh no.
I'll send it to you, okay?
Okay.
You might recognize it. Alright.
What is this?
Actually, I just sent it in the group chat.
I bet.
Bro, it's
Hey.
so P trucks.
Yo, what is this? Yo, what is this, bro?
Oh my god, bro.
Like, oh god, you're banned for sending that. What the hell is that? Like, what is that? What the heck, bro?
I'm magic.
Yo, no, like, bro, we gotta, oh my god, we gotta get Jonathan to listen to it so we could get like his profile and screenshot Jonathan on Spotify listening to About to Come.
No, literally, bro. That'd be actually so funny.
Oh my gosh, bro, what is that?
When the beat drop, it go crazy.
The beat drop goes crazy. Does it actually go crazy?
I don't know, man. It's just sweet.
Yo, baby, what is this, bro? What is that? That's so stupid. Yo. Nah, that's crazy.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh my
Yo,
God,
bro. I remember, like, dude, there was like this like one half day right before spring break for me, and like, I was just at school, and bro, like this one guy like sitting across from me, we were at like a group table, and we were just doing like some work. And bro, this guy would keep playing. Yeah, like yo, we would be dying laughing. You would actually like blast it for like 3 seconds and then just shut it off, bro.
Bro, he should have done like the dances that are in the video.
Bro, it's actually so funny. Like every so often, he would just do it while we were talking.
Bro.
Yeah, bro, that's what I'm saying, bro. That shit funny as fuck.
Oh, Goldie spawned.
Man, shut up, man.
No one told you to do that, bro.
Goldie, I'm
Bro,
live, by the
Goldie,
way.
bro, that's why you built like a cardboard box from Home Depot.
Who the
Wait,
fuck
wait.
you instantly on my dick? It hasn't even been 10
Wait.
seconds.
Oh,
It's
wait.
crazy.
Whoa. Listen to me. Yo, Goldie, bro, I'm low-key live, so like, don't get me banned, bro.
Relax.
Yeah, don't get me banned.
Okay. I'll see them.
Relájate. No, somebody said I'll read in the chat.
No. Somebody
No,
said
why
L
was
Reader
this
in the
dude-
chat.
Why was this dude instantly like on me? Not even 10 seconds in me joining.
Like,
Oh
it'd be
my
like that
gosh.
sometimes, bro. Like, it'd be like
Just
that.
joined. He already- like, that's why you be like a.
Bro, that's actually so funny, bro. Goldie, that's why you built like a Home Depot box from like, wait, no. That's like been like a cardboard box from Home Depot.
Oh, Home Depot box from cardboard.
From
Home Depot.
cardboard.
Home Depot box from cardboard.
Yeah. Hey,
That's
bro,
why you're
Goldie, did you vote, dude?
Huh?
Dudington?
Oh
Did you
yeah,
vote?
Dudington, you gotta vote on the. So I think I'm
On
gonna
the
vote for
title?
either Nami, or Nami. I don't know.
Okay, now this guy.
Oh, Jonathan joined the call. What the heck? That's crazy.
Jonathan, what? Where?
What? I mean, shut the heck up.
Shut the heck up,
My
man.
bad, bro.
Oh, wait, it took a little second for the joke to land.
Yeah,
I'm not gonna-
like, bro got the joke.
Bro,
I was like, wait, no, he
No.
didn't. And then I was like, oh, you're talking about like Tsunami. Yeah.
So like, for those
Oh, it
new
instantly
here,
pulled up.
Jonathan,
it took that long for it to
really?
click on your freaking cranium, bro.
Oh,
Bro,
like,
no, because tell me why, bro. I was dead ass like waiting for him on call. Like this one time, like I don't think Goldie was there,
better
but
get him on, bro.
like it was. And then, bro, this guy, he actually joins when I was like talking about like me playing One Piece Bounty and like something about Nami, bro. I'm being so for real.
Like, you ever think
Like-
when someone says Nami around him, do you think his like ears perk up like a horse, and he like?
No, like they have to. They actually have to. This guy jumps up with joy, bro.
Nami?
That's literally what he says, bro.
No, literally, bro.
No, he's gonna join the live chat. And he's gonna spam middle fingers for saying that.
Guys, I'm gonna join the live chat and I'm gonna.
Hey, he's about to get you banned, bro. Relax.
Like, bro's gonna get me.
And
Hold on, be right back.
I bet. I see.
eyebrows.
Who, Jonathan?
Well, yeah, but
This guy. I mean, that is Lock John. So that's his face reveal.
holy crap! His freaking his face is. I don't even know. He's like the pedo version of Mr. Clean.
That's crazy. See, so for yes, it's gonna be green. So we're really just gonna have.
Played the flute in school. Did y'all get shoved in lockers? Or y'all like a cool kid?
Like, Goldie, were you the one getting shoved in lockers, or did you do the locker shoving? Like, which one were you?
You're like, what the freak?
Like, it's a question.
Grown man talking about something. Were you getting pushed in the lockers or were you the one doing the pushing?
Like it's a valid question. Like, I'm not
Bro. Pushing people in lockers?
Yeah, bro.
Bro.
Like, you give them like a knuckle sandwich. You're like, give me your lunch money, nerd.
No!
Like, bro did that.
Like Jonathan probably definitely.
Like, Jonathan was the one getting pushed into lockers. Like, let's be real.
He's the one getting leggies, bro. Getting freaking swirlies.
Yeah, no, like, on God, bro. Honestly, though,
Jonathan's hair looks like it has like holes in his freaking head.
yo, that's crazy.
It looks like there's just like holes in between each strand, bro.
What is it doing? What the heck?
Bro, Goldie, did you listen to the song in chat, bro?
Yo, like, you gotta listen to it.
I don't even want to listen to it.
You gotta
No.
listen to it, bro.
No, please.
Please.
Wait, do you want me to like stream it unless
Hey, did I say yes?
I think he did.
Sir. Shut your freaking mouth.
Like,
wait, so like are you gonna listen to it or are you like you want me to stream it?
No,
If you don't
maybe
wanna click-
no, yes or no, maybe so type shit.
ooh.
Hey, that's actually stolen from me. You stole that from me. Say on God.
Huh?
Say on God, you did not steal that from me.
Why would I say? You're forcing me to say that? No, I refuse.
Okay, so you did steal it from me, bum.
No, I didn't. I just said I refuse to answer the question.
Shut up.
I refuse to answer the question.
Okay, sorry, gonna listen to it.
Like, Goldie, what are your thoughts on Minnesota?
Why are you asking me this?
Like, just answer the question.
I refuse to answer the question.
Like, okay,
Go.
Friday Night Funkin' or Black History Month?
Why are you asking me that?
Like, just answer the question.
Ow.
Yo. Yo.
Away.
Yeah.
Uh,
Go away. Yeah.
Goldie, bro, did you vote, bro?
Like, bro has to vote.
There's 50,000
Please, sir,
question
please,
options to vote. Dude.
Like, who else
Please,
voted,
sir.
bro? I got it was Jonathan. Like, there's no way.
I was going to, but like I got a little. I'm just go for the ones that sounds cooler.
Oh, Jonathan voted.
Yes, just go for the one that sounds cool. Like
The
that
coolest
you
one,
find,
bro.
That you find cool, bro.
That was all, man. I did it.
And then, whichever one it picks, then you choose, I guess. That's so ass. That's so ass. All right. 24 AI Jonathan beat Goku. Yeah, bro. Loki, 24 AI Jonathan claps. Like everyone and everything.
Absolutely. Oh, definitely agree.
Yep. Like, this just did.
Bro, I could clap. Pause.
Nah, like 24 AI Jonathan actually packs everything. And
Bro?
Goku and One Punch Man and more.
Besides me though, because I'm the king.
Like, I
You
don't know
think
about that.
you're the king? I'm the king.
Or
You're not
that's
the king.
why
I'm the king.
I
I'm the
actually
king.
put spikes in your milkshake. You're gonna feel them real soon.
You put what?
What? I wasn't paying attention. What you said?
What did he say?
I said I put spikes in your milkshake.
Oh,
You're gonna feel them
spikes.
real
That's what
soon.
I didn't get a milkshake today, bub.
That's crazy.
But you actually got up in the middle of the night, took it out of the fridge, and actually drank it while you
How are
were
you gonna tell me what I did last night?
Because I was spying on you, little boy.
Oh. What
Yo,
the
chat,
heck?
you hear that? He said he was spying. Guess what?
Guys, this is all in game. All in game.
Yeah, in Fortnite.
In Fortnite.
In Minecraft.
Bro, what? What?
It's like if you say some like very bad stuff about a person, all in game, guys. All in game.
In game.
Yeah, like I hope you get lunch or all in game.
You said what?
I hope you get freaking thrown in a jail cell and get sentenced to 1,000,000 years, and then only get Fred.
Like, joke is over, bro. Joke is over. I hope you get 15 life sentences in GTA.
Actually, freaking
it's like so bad, bro. Whenever you're doing like an insult and you mess up, like, cause I do that a lot, bro.
Like, pack
it's
it
actually
up.
over. Like, pack it up and leave, man.
I'm trying to pack me, but how about you pack it and leave? Type shit. That was a bar. That's what. Why y'all quiet? Come on, man.
Like, bro, you got the crickets. Oh. Wait,
Right, I guess. Whatever.
Bro, that's why.
Like, we're just too tough. Too tough of a crowd.
I'm about to go.
Yo,
bro.
Doors all around.
Yo, we gotta make that a soundboard. Yo, we gotta make that a soundboard.
Oh my gosh, wait. Bro, wait.
Yeah.
Axel, did you see 3FS's new video?
Nope, I did not.
You see 3FS's new video?
Hold on.
Like, why did it go away?
Hold on, wait.
I am your wife.
Like, what are you saying, bro?
Okay. Okay.
I'm so funny. You gotta hit that doughy laugh, that shit.
Touch it.
I'm doughy. I was told to expect you. Types.
Pipe.
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 Type nothing. Type doodle.
I don't know, bro.
Okay, it's a TikTok link, but like it's the only thing I can find. Bro.
Oh my god. Like, I don't have TikTok, bro.
You know? Well, wait. Let me see if I can download it or something.
Yeah.
He doesn't have TikTok. He doesn't have that TikTok stuff.
Like, TikTok is buttons. Why would I do that?
TikTok is complete dog. I would never ever use it.
That's true.
Says the guy who has like 4 accounts.
The
Three?
the freak you're talking about. What is
Like,
that?
bro.
You didn't say anything.
Wait, look in chat.
I bet.
Chat,
Guys, I'm not remixing this. It's just
You're
a little frickin'
disgusting.
beep. What do you guys think I am?
The tower. Add 1 of 3, bro. I'm trying to watch your stream.
Dang! That's tough.
That's how I feel watching Queso stream. Add 1 out of 8. Like what the heck?
Like, bro, you do not need this money, gang.
Thought you was rich and you still second on my. Yo!
1 out of 8 is crazy.
1 out of 8. GG, bro. Just watch another person.
Like I'm saying, bro. Like then you switch to Jinxie and he's like, "Yo, when's the last time we did a pack opening? 5 months ago? Is that true?" And then he like hovers over it and it plays the video. And it's like a clip. And he's like, "Let the Jaeger black ice in my," and he's like, "Jesus Christ."
I'm watching Queso live and I got freaking add 1 out of 8, bro.
Oh,
GG, bro. You can literally, by the time this is done, you can watch like 15 YouTube shorts, bro. Like, come on.
like,
Actually, call it a day, bro.
like,
Wonder how much money you get from Twitch ads.
like for real.
I wonder how much money you get from Twitch ads.
Oh, Goldie, that's a very insightful question. Yo, like we care, bro. We care, by the way. No, like Fire, we care so much, so deeply about Forsaken Airplane.
So much.
So much. So much.
These guys still are done?
These guys link up.
They say currently the server is in a very good spot, blah, blah, blah. We need more time. We'll be extending expected time for public release late April, early May.
Bro, like just make the game, bro. Just make
Bro,
the game.
like actually. To finish touches, the merge between Forsaken AR and FNAF MR is going very nicely. Orton has remade a version, blah blah. Okay, whatever. Yeah, that's it. Okay, bro. Oh my god, whole lot of bullshit, bro.
Like for real.
Like, bro.
Oh, what a mess. Oh, what a crap.
Like, okay.
Oh my god.
Freaking become me dick.
Like, bro's just saying stuff.
Bro, they said public release would be like late March, early April. Then they pushed it, bro. More. What bots?
Like, oh god.
Get the rebuilding the whole game from the ground up, bro. Like, bro, y'all had like months.
Yeah, you guys
Or
had
months.
months. Months
And
and
more
months and months.
And more months, bro. And more months.
Months and months and months.
And more months, bro.
And more months on top of that.
And more months.
And more months on top of that.
And more months, man.
Like, yeah, we get it, bro.
Son of the devil.
What the freak?
I will jump on little
that's the wrong
boys
thing.
because I like to touch little boys.
Yo, what are we saying, bro?
Oh, like on the live.
Guys,
where
in game,
people
in game,
are
in game,
little
in game,
boys?
in game.
In game, bro. In FNAF.
In game. I kidnapped a child and then I fed it to Donald Trump. In game though.
In game.
What are you saying?
It's valid though, because in the game.
No. Guys. Scratch everything I said. It was all a joke.
It's a joke. It's a joke.
I'm here with my ukulele.
Okay, bro. I'm not a groomer, just a loser.
Okay,
Yeah,
so bro, my name is Todd, and I like to throw some lobs. Okay, bro.
By
All
what?
right, bro. My name is Todd, and built like a tripod.
Like, sure.
Sure, I guess, bro.
I guess, bro.
My name is Todd, and I'm built like a rod.
Like, yeah.
Yeah,
like,
dude.
why they working?
So my name is Pat, and I'm built like a mat. Oh.
Oh. What
Bro,
the
okay.
heck?
All right, bro. Okay, so okay, so okay, all right, okay.
Bro.
Yep, you're done. We got all day.
Okay, so okay. I mean, okay, so okay, so like okay,
Yeah.
so like okay, so
Like, why is this like
okay.
not working? What the heck?
I don't know why. What is it not, man? What is it not? Why is it not? Bro, Goldie, bro,
What the
that's why you
heck?
built like an exit sign.
For me, what the freak?
Oh.
I can't find the base boost.
You say you can find the Facebook
I said base boost.
base boost. What the
Oh,
frick
'cause
is
it does
even that?
that.
Bro, that's why you built like a 42-inch
Did
base
this
saving power fan.
just say what the freak is base boost?
Wait, what? What is it, bro? I forgot. Whatever it is, bro.
Holy crap! Go back to kindergarten.
Go back to where? What? What did bro just say?
Where?
Like, what did he... Oh, okay.
Go back
Okay.
to kindergarten.
That makes sense.
Here's your air.
Base boost?
Like, what the heck?
Is this like a reference I'm supposed to be catching?
This dude doesn't even know what base boost is, bro.
You just gotta boost the base.
Base boost, bro. What is
Yeah, that definitely helps him.
like, bro,
I think it
what
does.
is base boost?
Ooh, like, you'll find out.
like bass?
Bass. Yeah, like BASS base boost.
Yeah. Oh. Base boost, bro. Like, what is that?
This
Bro.
dude, bro.
Like, it actually sounds like some power up, bro. Like, come on, man.
No.
Base boost, like, bro. What am I? What are you talking about?
Like base boost.
Base boost. Like bass boosted.
Bass boosted.
Bass boosted.
Bass boosted. That sounds actually weird. Disgusting.
Guys, this song's really bass boosted.
Like, ooh. And then Goldie records his voice lines and they're all bass boosted. Like, that makes me so mad.
Boy, what?
Why is it so loud?
But Goldie, low key, right? Low key, bro. You probably got like total fat 16 grams, 25%. You know, saturated fat 3 grams, 15%. You know,
What are you saying,
zero trans fat, cholesterol 0 mg. You know, sodium 300 grams.
What the heck?
300 milligrams. You know, 13% total carbohydrates, 14 grams, 5%. You know, bro, Goldie, bro, you doing low K today, bro.
Like, what does bro say?
Huh?
It's Jonathan.
Wait,
Was
Goldie,
it?
bro. Yeah, yeah,
Instantly.
yeah. Goldie, bro, you remember the yellow rabbit? The sounded like Johnson?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yep.
Stop.
Actually, no idea.
Like, why is it
Stop.
doing this? Like, why is it doing this?
Like that. Bro, I forgot.
It's the show on the road. Yeah, Digital Circus episode 8, guys. It's coming out tomorrow. Make sure to watch.
I'm good, bro.
Stop.
What?
You look like $1,000,000.
Oh.
Da.
You look like $1 million
Thank you.
bucks.
Like $1,000,000. Da.
Da.
Alright, thank you.
Okay, so my name is Todd, and I'd like to go.
Talk about freaking
Wow.
Todd. We know you have a crush on him.
Goldie, you say you have a crush on Todd? Let me go tell him. Yo, Todd, bro. Goldie has a crush. Wait, really? No way.
No way. What the heck?
Bro.
We're just saying stuff.
Bro.
Oh, there we go. That works. That looks pretty good. Alright, so
Bro, what are you? Yeah.
like, bro. Or we might have to refer you to someone, I don't know. Okay, cool, that works. Alright, so now this works really well.
Oh no, nothing but no I'm so sorry, something really something so I've been told.
So
From
yeah,
the
like,
screen to the room to the
yo, we're not bringing this back, bro. We're not bringing this back.
Bro,
Yeah,
like it was
you can go ahead and suck that back up in your freaking mouth because I don't want.
Actually, little boy, you actually just started humming it.
That's good. That's
to the
good.
voice.
No, like, wait, we gotta get Thunder to sing that, bro. Hold up.
Bro, he's about to make a fire remix, bro. Wait till 3 FS gets his hands. 3 FS, so let's go and beat.
Cake time.
Say goodbye.
Goldie, bro, that's how your bubbles can Neanderthal.
Cake time.
Yo, chill. What the freak? Every time I'm saying something, you always got something mean to say. From Bush.
Here I come.
Oh, I'm good. Alright, we gotta lock in. We gotta lock in on this.
Never used this guy in my life.
Cake time.
Cake time.
I'm a king.
Here I come.
Making it hard for me. From the I'm friendly.
Cake time.
Bro, I'm bored, dude.
Knock, knock. Here I come.
My first time rap on
Was down Willie Island on my OB Avenue. It's my first time rapping. I might grow retarded. But I'm
Cake time.
the avalanche. Avalanche.
Knock, knock. Here I come, motherfucker.
Hold on, guys. I'll be back.
Cake time. Woo! Knock, knock. Here I come, motherfucker.
Wait, I'm dead. So smart.
It's so hard.
All right. What? Oh, that's what I say. All right. Now we gotta do the save data. So here's probably like the best way to do some sort of save data thing. I gotta get this out of this game because we're like never using it. Okay, so now I'm just going to delete the. Actually, I'll rename it to do stats save, and then we'll have an achievement save as well. I'll move this to -97. So this one's going to be 120. Wait, am I doing this right? 129. Yeah. Is it going to be game save old? Then this is going to kind of load the old data if there is any.
Sure.
So this file, I believe, should just be app data directory plus, and then I believe this is it. Let me see. Yeah, okay, it looks like that's good. Here, Thunder's Frenzy Recoded, and then TFR game save. And so the challenges look like this. It's pretty easy to do. 447 on 24 AI Jonathan, like, yeah, GG. That's crazy, bro. Like 24 AI Jonathan. Like, why? Like, why would you do that?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna check this save. We're gonna check if challenges exist in here and challenges exist in, or does not exist in the new save. So we're just gonna go here. We're gonna have group exists, challenges. And then I'll do the same thing for the other one. And then this is going to prompt the user with the save data.
Nice.
There we go. Oh yeah. That's kind of an issue. I'll just make it so that where There's a prompt. So when this is, I'll just move this up here. So that's always doing it. And then same with this. Yeah. So now we shouldn't be able to click stuff. There we go. Cool. Cool. So now we could load this. So we're just gonna check. Actually, I'll just do this. The challenges. This is gonna be our main prompt. Now we're gonna do this. We're gonna have we're gonna check if the prompt ID is 2. And then we'll also have on loopy x. I'll just remove that, we don't need that. So now we'll be able to see, let's play this. Then this will actually load our data, so overwrite our data with our old data. We don't have a detection for it. Actually, we don't even need to play this. So then here we would just set this off. Oh, it's kind of a problem. Yeah, because it instantly clicks it like that. So instead, what we could do for that is set it to where this will set the can click on, but only after this is past a certain point. So I could literally just go here, and this is kind of gonna be like a timer. So right now it's set to 0. I could just do greater than, I don't know, like 10. And so now there's gonna be like a little delay before I can actually click again. Okay, maybe not. Because it's set to 0. I think it's like the same frame it does it, so instead we'll do like 50. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, so now there's that kind of like delay before I could actually click. So that works. Very cool. And then we'll just do no. I'll just make the top one no, just to make it easier. Then, so when this is done, we would just do, is there a way to create a group? Probably not. Let's do challenges. Maybe that could ensure new group. Yeah, okay. Now if we hit no, and we play the game again, we should not get this prompt anymore. But we still do. Which is, oh, because, yeah, it's the wrong thing. You have to move it here. We go here, hit no, restart. We still get it. So then there's some issue here. Go to my documents and see. Okay. That's weird. I mean, I could just set Let me change this name to game save. Yeah, I'll just set this to set an item. Honestly, that's probably gonna be easy. That's a blank string. There we go. Cool. And I'll have like a I'll have like a little delay before this. So I guess we'll have to ensure that I can only click on it until this fade is past a certain value. So alpha is greater than, I'll do like 150. Okay. Did I click something? What the heck? Let's try it now. Oh yeah, have to do that. Yeah, okay. So then that actually like gives a delay. Cool. So that's done. Now on loop yes is when we actually set our string. So I could start off with, I could just load it into here, honestly. So I'm gonna just do roster ID or preset ID. There's gonna be a format that we'll eventually get into, and then this is gonna be called challenges. So then what we're gonna do is I'm gonna start a new loop here and call it get old challenge data. And I'll do it 10 times because there's 10 of them. So then on this loop, it's actually gonna get challenge data. And so here, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna get the loop. So on loop, get challenge data. I think it was old challenge data. Yeah. So then we're gonna have this, and I'm gonna set, I'll have like a data controller, honestly. And then what's a color I could use for this? Have orange, like every color. Have red. I don't have yellow. I don't know if I want to use yellow though. It's pretty ugly. I'll do like a dark green. That works. It's gonna be.
I'm about to go.
All right, bro. All right.
Hi, guys.
Like, bro, I'm about to
Bro
sing
on the
songs.
big, bro on the, wait, actually. Bro at the big W. You know,
Bro's at the big W. What the heck? Yo, don't make me
the
find this
big
Walgreens.
W. The big W in the car, too, bro.
W.
Ooh.
Yes, sir, guys. I
Wait, low key,
guys.
what car is that? What car is that even? Like, what Toyota?
It's a Toyota Sienna. I don't know what year, but
Oh, wait, that's tough. That's actually tough.
low key. This
On
one
God, bro,
my
you gotta pull
sister
up.
drives.
You gotta pull up.
Nah, yeah, for real, bro. This one my sister drives. I have like one similar. I think it's like a few years like before this one, but it's like also a Toyota Sienna. And that one, this one, it has like some of the seats removed because we use like to like deliver, and all that stuff. But
Oh, yo, you know what? We gotta like get everyone to your bakery, bro. Like
no, literally, bro.
all of us pull up to your bakery. Like that'd be so tough.
No, literally.
Yo,
That would actually be.
five opossum. What's good? What's good? All right, so we're gonna set the current value here, and I'm just gonna set this to. I'm gonna pull the old value, the old save, or from the old save. So this is a value, and I'm gonna have this kind of just hang out here. This group is gonna be challenges. Default value is gonna be 0. Doesn't matter. So then we're gonna have C, and then this is kind of the format, and then string loop index of this plus 1.
Oh yeah. If we ever were to, like the one I drive would be actually perfect for having all of us.
Okay. Yeah, that'd be
Because
tough.
it has a ton of seats.
Development's going
Like
fine.
it's like kind of like a van thing.
I'm kind of just like working on this sort of thing. I don't know. Actually, you probably haven't seen a lot of the updates, but yeah. I mean, I think the menu's kind of turning out to be pretty good. Bro, imagine Hopeless Wrath 24 AI. Oh my gosh. Like, that would be so
GG, bro.
horrible. That'd actually be so horrible. But yeah, the update's going pretty good so far. Alright, I'm just working on the save. So now it will load the old data, and then we're going to compare it. So we're going to check if... Wait, no, we don't compare it. And now we check if it's a certain value, because basically the way it was before, it was 1 is normal, 2 is hopeless, 3 is extreme, 4 is eternal, but there's more modes, so those have to kind of move over. I'm in a VC. It's just I'm with the actual the gang, bro. I'm with the gang. The actual people behind the characters in the game.
Yes, guys. Me and this other guy that's not talking.
Yeah, there's a
This
random
in the game.
on the wall. Who's the most random of them all? Who's the most niche?
Who's the most niche in the game?
Now, like random on the wall. Who's the nichest of them all?
I would probably say. Wait, hold on. Give me like 6-7 seconds.
Okay, bro. Okay.
Right.
Wait, I just had it. Okay. Low key, I would say the most niche is either G-Hawk or Aiden.
Honestly,
Actually,
yeah.
no.
I think no. Honestly, if we're talking like actual people, I think low key, like G-Hawk and Ultra, bro, and Fan, like they never talk. And Aiden even.
No,
Now I think about
yeah.
it.
I was gonna say Ultra.
Like
instead of Aiden.
Like, bro just posts about like Pillow Chase 2 and that's it.
Literally, bro. She-Hulk, bro, fan, bro. Like you see him like good, like
once every
few
maybe.
months. Yeah, no, literally.
Like, bro's never online.
Ultra, bro. I have not seen that guy in forever.
Bro, actually, like, I remember I met Ultra because he was live streaming one time, and I think he was playing like, he's playing Sonic like Maniac Mania, and he's trying to beat. I think he was trying to beat the max mode in there, and he like got clapped. And I was like trying to watch, and then he was playing like FNAF AR. I think I don't remember. Like, dang, bro.
Dilly darn, dude.
Diddly darn.
Bro, low key, bro. I would flop. I don't know what, bro. I just want to go on like a nice road trip or something.
That'd be cool. That'd be very cool. Very nice.
You just chill. Oh heck no! What am I seeing?
What? Sonic FNAF game? It's like some old, like really old one.
Yeah,
what did you find?
Bro, I just seen this guy, this like really harsh British accent guy raging on Build a Boat because some like gigantic bee.
He was raging on what?
Is raging on Build a Boat on Roblox.
Build a boat. There's no way. You gotta send it to me.
A gigantic bee with an ass on his property, bro.
Yo, like you gotta. Oh my god, you gotta send that.
Bro, I put it in chat.
What the heck? Is this like? Can I show this?
Yeah, you can show it.
I
It's
just
not
can't
like
play this
bad,
fucking game in
I guess.
peace, lads. You know, I've got fucking Mrs. B now over here,
Oh,
shaking
yeah.
it around. She's been doing this for the fucking past 10 minutes. It's absolutely gross, mate.
Bro,
You know,
this is
how about you build a
actually
boat
gold,
instead?
bro.
That's tough, bro. That's so tough.
Oh hell no! What the frick?
What are they sending you?
Dude, you're so bold and so basic.
That's me.
What?
Oh.
Okay, bro, like get the hell out of here. Like, what the hell? How about you build a boat instead? All right, so this should format the string. We go here. Freak. I gotta delete it. What the freak? Oh, there we go.
I'm tired of it, man.
What the heck? Yo, what? I like did the loop. Wait, that look makes no sense.
Bendy Andy Ink Machine is 70% off on Steam Spring Sale right now.
You Indian fucking nerd.
Okay.
Yeah,
Mom,
relax, man. Oh my god, you scared the crap out of me!
Mom, listen to me, Mom. Mom, listen. Why is it nothing? What the heck? Challenges, current value. Like, it's still supposed to say 0? Oh, because it's like pulling nothing. Wait, but that's not supposed to happen. It's supposed to be 0 by default. What the heck? Did you all hear that? And what are they doing? Alright, like, why is this not working, bro? This is, oh, AI Ross. Man.
AI.
Like, AI. There we go. Cool. So then that loads my challenge data. And then we could immediately save it afterwards. We go here. We could go over here. Game save. And now we can set string, then item, what? Oh. Yeah. Challenges, item, it's gonna be called challenges beaten. And then we set this to challenges. There we go. Now this should, if we go here, now we could go to our save, take a look here, and there we go. We have it there. This is very cool. Quadrupedal in the background. There's like 2 dogs going at it. Like what even? What the heck?
What?
Like fighting, bro.
Ah. Alright.
And yeah, if you delete your save, it should it'll bring back that prompt again. So now I will have to go soon, probably, it looks like, but we got a few things done. So I'm gonna get the stars going now because that's what we were working on beforehand. So let me get this UI. That's the wrong thing. Presets, stars. And now I'm just gonna change this to animation. I can type. Then we're gonna move this down into here. And then we're gonna have one, and I'm just gonna do check stars. So at the start, now we're just gonna run this, and we're gonna do, we could do, just kind of run this once when the game starts. Actually, I could just do, yeah, I could just do like a loop, like a fast loop, and call this set stars. So then here, we're just gonna do set stars. We're gonna do that one time. And then at the end of our save data, we're just gonna have that do that as well. So that's gonna actually trigger trigger things to kind of update and set themselves based on like what's happening. So what we're gonna do for each one of these, I'm just gonna go to close this, we don't need that anymore. Then we're gonna have our preset right here. And then I'm just going to check if the instance value is greater than or equal to 1. That's the wrong thing. And then, so there's basically going to be 2 types of stars. There's going to be greater than or equal to 1, and then less than 9. So anywhere from 1 to 8. Then what we're going to do is actually on here, I'm going to split the string challenges by this delimiter. And that's basically going to take, so I could do like an example here. So that's going to take our string here, and it's going to split it all into its individual, like all of these 2s. It's going to split into like an array of those. So if I delete my save again real quick. So now we can actually get, we could set the animation. So I'm just going to do animation, change animation frame, and then we're actually going to get the element of the, and then the index is going to be an instance value, and it's 0 index, so -1. And then this gives a string, so we got to convert it to a value. And then this is going to be -1 as well. So now this should work for the first set of stars. As you can see here, it's working. And now I might honestly switch them. Have it be green for hopeless, yellow for perpetual. I think that makes more sense. Yeah, and then extreme, eternal. Cool. We'll do that. And I don't know why Is it not saving? Oh, right. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. So then, oh, wow, whoops. Yeah, data. We gotta load the old data. So I'm just gonna set sort of thing. I'm gonna set the challenges to challenges beaten. And then we'll do the reverse by saving it. We're gonna set the string challenges beaten, and then we set this to a global string. Okay. So now this should actually load our data. So there we go. Green. Very cool, very cool. And then of course, if there's nothing there, then we want it to actually disappear. So we're just gonna check that. We're just gonna compare two values, and I'm just gonna grab this. We're gonna check if this is equal to 0, then we're actually gonna hide this star. So now if we do this, it's gonna ask for this, and these stars are now hidden. So what we're gonna do, we have to do the same for these bottom ones. So now I'm just gonna do instance value equals 9. This is gonna be for the tricky 10 star, and we're gonna offset this by 1, so we just remove this -1. And then we will do the same for Thunder's Wrath. It's gonna be 10. And then we'll set the animation to this +1. So now if we go here, as you can see, our stars aren't showing. We load our data. That is kind of weird. Why is it doing that? Oh, there we go. Now it's showing. Oh, that is weird. That's not supposed to do that. I mean, it could do like a timer event, but yeah. That's super weird. Okay. It sets the I mean, this should work. Because it's setting the string or the I mean, I could literally just do this. Hopefully this works. No, I just have to restart the game for it. That's really weird. Because I click yes, it gets the string, and then it's supposed to set the stars. I think it's just a case of ClickTeam being weird. I don't know. Anyways, I might have to go in a bit here. I'm gonna change this to a timer event and see if that changes anything. I'm just gonna call this set stars. I'm not super happy about having to do that, but I think if we just do this. And that should hopefully work. I don't know. Okay, let's test it again. Still not working. Is this ever running? It's supposed to be. Let's see, set global value F to 1 if this is actually running, and then we should see that change to 1. If not, that's what our problem was. It is. Then why is this not working? That is super weird. Okay, what if we did 1 second? That's kind of weird. What? Like it's splitting the string, which is there. That's so weird. We have this. That gets set. And then this timer event runs. Maybe if we do like, just like add 1 to another global value. That's delta time. We don't want that. So like G. I don't know, dude. So this ran once. We do it again. It ran twice. And our challenges string is right here. And I have no idea. I have no idea what's causing it. Oh, it's because it doesn't make them. Okay. No, I get it. I get it now. It's because I never made them reappear. That's just me being dumb. Alright, well, we can replace this with the loop. Set stars. Cool. Change this back to a fast loop. Yeah, I mean, I've checked the order of the event because that's like the one thing where it's like that will always cause trouble. Like if you have and like it's a thing that sometimes it doesn't even happen in like in the editor, but if you like build the game and run it, it could cause issues if you have like events in a specific way. And sometimes it doesn't even seem obvious because it seems like it would work as like it would work fine, but it ends up not working properly and you have to kind of redo everything. It's weird. Super weird. So that does that. Okay. I did not mean to open click team again. So now let's do this again. There we go. Cool. And actually, instead of okay, I'll do like a little delay for this for the prompt UI. I'll just do. All right. Well, I'm gonna have to go, but yeah, thank you for tuning in. But yeah.